Kubor Snem jong Nongsan Hima.
Meghalaya State Commission for Women ne kasngi kalapalong ek seminar bekerpang halor kapang socio-economic status of single mothers. Habakran ngani gajingelang ka kong Delhi na kongdup kadukot jong National Commission for Women New Delhi. Kalong ba kajingkiyo jong kajingdon ki Longkmie ki baklemdon ukpa kalakiyo kat badang mi kisngi ha kajela. Kalaban rapru da ka baong ba ai ba kani gajinge plio jingmot ha kani kasngi kanam sakwat tang ha kisaw kanro Henry ban pen pau perthai bat pentep shakiwe ki pat baru. Kalau ong ru bakani ka ktian single mother kadang shumi akini ki khinjat Snem baladep. Bat hab ban wat ya ka daw jong kani bat ka e ka jingkta la dari bat pen he pensan ye ki Khun tang marwai. Na kalyang ka Dr. Melari Nongrum ka Associate Professor jong ka Indian Institute of Public Health Meghalaya kala batai halor ka jingdan jong ki single mother kamdei tang hakari jongi hendai gade ha ka perthai hi barok away. Habaya de baka jela Meghalaya kalai thu baki single mother ki don hadu khat lai pon %. Hakaba Khasi Hills ki don khat %, Jaiñtia Hills khat riu pon lai %, but Garo Hills kade khat lai pon khandai riu %, but kani kade kat kum ka record jang ka census jang Snem hajar khat wei.
Ta kasngi kanom ne hang tang ha ini I tang ha ko ini I kamra. But let's us carry to all the parts and corner and each and every corner of our states. Te kumbanga jule him barabor sabangalay. First of all, I would like to question all of you. Have you ever heard about NCW? Please raise your hand. Raise your hand. Who heard for the first time? Okay, so kia khle lang day. The NCW is an organization or it's a commission, National Commission for Women, which has been formed to protect and safeguard the rights and to address whatever the issues faced by women all over the country. So we are lucky here also in Meghalaya. We have our state commission, that is Meghalaya State Commission for Women, which are going in the same path like us for the protection of women. Not only for the protection of women, we even safeguards them. We even, we have one-stop center. We have Swadhar Graha. We have halfway home also in our states, which we are working together with the social welfare department. Tekini ki kam kiba ka commission for women kale. Ngidon hang ni ha state jongiru, but ngidon ha Delhi rungidan ka center jongi ka na Delhi tambang iya coordinate lang ha ka bayada ibat kino ki crimes lane kino ki jingsha leben ki Longkmie ki kenthai ki jongi te haba phai segane ka issue bamenta ndei mano kita ki single mothers. Who are the single mothers? Hitip nama Bunsin ya kadai ka kantin hi kadai ka sin ka ba kadai ka kantin ka ba karang sumission denia mensuang yang padu asngaw ikum kini ki kantin dang hakini ki khandet Snem bangi asngaw ya kata ka single mothers kamut kito ki Longkmie nani ki kenthai ki ba hab ri ya ki Khun klem kano ka jingkershan na kilok jongki lane na ki partners jongki nay those who do not get any support from their spouse, those who single-handedly raise their child without the support of anybody. So those women, we term them as single mother. Nata why? Bali kini ki single mother ki nang kiu na kawai gasngi si kawai gasngi kumbala batai chairperson mentang baka nang kiu na kawai gasngi si kawai gasngi kadon kadaw dan kadaw kata ka bang ihap ban ya discuss mentang ihap ban perkhadru what is the impact or the effect of single mothers on their upbringing of a child kata ru ihap ban ya perkhad ke ka bakata ladangi ngidei kita ki kemi ki bangiri ki khun tang daladehi tang marwehi ladangan re se itai khun janga ki kita ki jingkata nakani ke jinglong single parents jongi kimi sibun ki jingpang hakane ke imlang kasalang jongi nadu ki substance abuses dei ki ong begitu ki kata kade ke jing yoi begitu ki khun ki ba ri da ki om dei bang aku ban keno lane ban pet sriu yano lane ban sumudur ya kata ngai ke ai ka bang yoi ba mostly hi kine ki khun ki ba ri tang marwai email lane pa bun ki ba hakino ki jingpang kum ka depression baki ong katin thareng kilong stress kilong ki kwa ban long isolate long ban dan ben marwe kim kwa ban mix bat ka imla salang namar nganget ba ngidon in good numbers of participants who are from the village level also who are from here itself also and from Garo Hills also. So let us work together. Let us work together banginla ban pensange lane penduna ya kine kijing haga imlang sa alang jung habang keren ba kadai kasi mengkong hakini ki kindet Snem bangi osnyo yang single mothers kadau hi kabakong sane kalong bangi hangi ki khasi ni dei ki ba simjat naka Longkmie ngidon lau pini usunya ngidon lau thaulang ukupa ngidon lagi hemen lagi para ngidon lagi bahaying bahasan te habangin la aban sumar haba ngimdan kata gajing ya sungtu jingmut bad ilok silok siying sisem handai ngidon te imei pa ngidon te kikini ngidon ki distance relative jungi ngidon ki clan jungi who will take care us. So this single mother's words, I think it's a very new concept and kadai ka jingput tending jungi yaki Western culture. Teladang ngihi ngilan ngin puram yala ka jong ka tenrai ka ba ulong shwa man shwa jong yu la da hikai na du men shwa ngin dan kamban face kini ki baro ki jing kini baro hikiwan na kata bangim khinkor yo pini ngim khinkor yo kupa ngim khinkor ki bahaying ki bahasem jong ni na ta kadang misakala single mothers Handai ladang idon ngibut hi kata ke jing hikai ke banadu men shwa ngimbut ya kita ki jing hikai ki bau hikai da kita ki invaders mo nadu ki Mughals nadu ki British kari India jongi par kari khasi jongi hero klasen shar hakini ki nong hakini ki invaders bengi ong te kala sha sanshar gitu te kadon hi kata ke jing kata ka babha ka basniuro hendrei. It is a time for us to learn from the past. But as per my opinion, whatever our ancestor had set, the rules and regulation, yes, it is not codified. The problem is that because our laws, our practices, it's not yet codified. which is the duty of our representative, our especially in the district council, because district council is to safeguard our customary practices. Am I right? Those particular individual who understand and who wants to work for the entire society. Because we can blame only women for the cause of single mothers. We Khasi, we are independent from time immemorial. Not only Khasi, even in everywhere in India. If you have read the Vedas, if you have read the Ramayana, Mahabharata, we have witnessed that women are revered during those times also. Ngi Khasi lili hadu mentaro, ngi dan hiya kata kajing burong, kajing ie, bat kajing kentang jengi, yaki kenthe, lane yaki kemi. Lem kumta lada kari India hibar kowe lane ngi hiro, kum ki Khasi, ngim ken, burong yaki kemi, ngim nam dan yaki kentin kabaong har Sanskrit, matru deva bhav, kabamut kakemi kadeka. Blame. Mother is not less than God. Tekane don't have Sanskrit. Tekane Upanishad, yes. Since the time immemorial, we believe, we love, we revere women. And then why do we status jang ki single mother kinami nakapos kapwa? The main issue is they mangi. Om day tang ki kentay, om day tang ki shenrang, ki baday kadaw nakabanta kajing nang kiyo kiniki single mothers. Henry mangi ki bamut baro mangi ki baday hi ki bakhenhi alade, but yes, we are the part of the society. We are dependent on the society. We are interconnected with the society. Because we cannot live without our neighbors, without our relatives, without our surrounding. So, tongin persyang, bangin, yatre lang, nakabanta ni, because ngangit, I never be able to correct and to address each and every issues in the society. Only we can. Only we. If we stand together, if we work together, if we understand each other, then only we can stop or nilaruban pendu ya kaneka jinglong single mothers yun. Kalong ka baleran lada perkat. Kat sabangan lada ngay keren sa pangki Jingkheiñ Meghalaya. I feel ashamed because many people said, "Oh, it's a matrilineal society. How come? Why do you face this type of problems?" But again, kajinglong jongihi, naman ngilong ki tribal ro kachukapor ngilong ki ba sarong yala kajinglong lejo. Te ngilong kita ki sovereign mo, ibalong sovereign. Amdan bala mano ro banseng syar hangi. Henry hagajing hagaim lang sa alang kabamenta ni haban niya lang rengkat barkaim lang sa alang kanang bangat ngiru nginlaban poy siya kathong jong kano kajing job na kabanta kajing bha jong kaim lang sa alang hibaro ko.
7.5% of these, a majority of 84.3% are led by women. Single mother households are most common when we look at the global scenario in Latin America and the Caribbean and the sub-Saharan region. In Asia, it is not lacking behind. We see 7% of households headed by women. The UN Women Report of 89 countries and territories states that there are at least 101.3 million single mothers, that is, mothers living alone with their children in the world. However, there's a remarkable diversity that exists in the living arrangements of single mothers. Which was conducted by the State Commission for Women and which was published last year, records the prevalence of single mothers at 13.67%. It is also, 27, sorry. It is also estimated that there are 72,759 single mothers in the state. The estimate, however, seems to be a little lower than the number of female-headed households in Meghalaya, which is 95,841 according to the census. Nevertheless, we see that there are thousands of women who are single mothers. Though single motherhood is not always an outcome of a breakdown in the family, it could also be a choice considering the rapid cultural shift in the society today. However, the possible reasons for women to be a single mother could be varied. Widowhood, divorce, separation from a partner or spouse, fleeing from domestic violence, unintended pregnancies, as well as armed conflict, natural disasters, displacement and migration are common reasons cited across the world. However, in Meghalaya, according to our study, we see that the major reason seems to be abandonment by the husband or desertion, which I've highlighted as a cause of, an impact of adultery. This has far-reaching consequences in the Meghalaya context, as economic support from the husband after abandonment is not always possible for all women. It is important to note that single mothers have a heavy responsibility, and I think we all share that sentiment. She has to maintain a work-life balance, as most of them have a minimum education. They have to work long hours in wage work to be able to provide for their children. In the study, it is seen that a large proportion of 46.2% have no formal education. Of single mothers results in them having to engage only in wage work, which brings little financial returns. There are also other problems which relates to the children, where if they work for long hours, there is no supervision or low supervision of children. And this is a study that was conducted by the District Child Protection Unit of East Khasi Hills, where we looked at children at risk. And it kind of coincides where we see that almost 25%, 1/4 of the children do not have, supervision during the day. This situation is also seen in other developed countries like the US, where single mothers are at a higher risk of poverty than their male counterparts. Besides, there are issues which are often masked because of the pressure to be strong and take the decisions. In the study conducted in Meghalaya, single mothers also experience issues related to their mental well-being. The widows experience unwanted and uncontrollable loss. Divorcees often experience feelings of having failed in their marriage and work through feelings of guilt, resentment, anger. And young widows with children, because of the untimely death of their spouse, experience a prolonged period of depression and frustration.
Lady who was there in doing the survey, along with the NIHU and Women Commission, Meghalaya Women Commission, and the finding reports is that they found out 13.5% single women in Meghalaya, and that has affected me very deeply. After reading that report that we released in the month of December last year, I tried my best to consult the educationists, sociologists, NGO leaders, particularly Mike Chapra, to know why this alarming rate in the rise of single mother and teenage pregnancy in our state. I want to find out the root cause. We know about the socio-economic status and the problems of the single mother. But now it is also time for us to find out the root cause. Because if we diagnose the social ills, then only we can find out ways to cure it.